When we girls walk through life, many sceneries are passing by. Stone, ice, water and sand. We walk, we bike, we row, and we drive on your skin. Mother Earth, you are the strongest woman we know. You can grow despite the circumstances. You can overcome what humans can bear. And you can rise when you are cut down. All by yourself, 24 hours a day, lifetimes long. And that's why you are inspiration. So we can be as bold as your rain, as powerful as your waves, as sharp as your wind, as strong as your stones, and as clean as your trees. So to discover the world, we only have to put on our clothes, go out, learn, and breathe fresh air.